Hello, this is flat renovation update, day 46. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom, we've got a leak and that's been repaired, and they're still working on the cupboards over here tomorrow and the drip tray. They've painted this section over here. I think it still needs to go grey, and they've also painted the door, one coat of paint. What else? They're still busy working on this area. I think some more paint has been applied here. Working up there. Still busy here. What else? We've got a lovely leak on the balcony above, which has been going on for the last few weeks when it's raining here. So that needs to be fixed. But I think that's it for day 46.